Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths, Part 94, Sport. Here is another lateral thinking puzzle for you. Thank you for the great feedback you've been giving me regarding my other puzzles. Good luck with this one. Let's see how you go. What has 22 eyes and 2 wings? A clue will be given on the next slide. What an interesting puzzle. See if you can persevere with it. And I'll definitely give you a clue in about 2 minutes' time if you need it. Okay, as promised, here is your clue on the next slide. That's if you need it. What has 22 eyes and 2 wings? And the clue, I'll just give you one word: sport. The answer is on the next slide. So good luck with it. That clue just might help you. And in about 1 minute's time, I'll give you the answer. Okay, as promised, here is the answer. I wonder how you went, if that clue helped you or not. Here we go. What has 22 eyes and 2 wings? The answer? A soccer team. There are 11 players on a soccer team. That gives you your 22 eyes. And there's a winger on each side of the field. I hope you enjoyed that one. That was extremely tricky. Maybe the clue did help you. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide. And here we go to that slide right now.